Today we gave Avery this little mesh thing that she can put fruit in and eat. And as you can hear, she's really enjoying it.
Mmm, is that yummy?
Is that good? We have bananas in there. Is that good? Is it good? She's getting so big.
Yeah, little banana kid.
Is that good, Avery?
Avery, those your num-nums?
Avery.
Avery?
She's loving it.
She wants to figure out how to get it out quicker.
She wishes she could put her whole mouth around it.
Good, huh, baby?
Okay. That's it for today.
Get a little better bite.
Oh.
You love it, huh, kid?